Welcome to part 59 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning the passive voice. In active sentences, the subject does the action. The chef cooked the meal. The chef is doing it. In passive sentences, the subject receives the action. The meal was cooked by the chef. The meal is now the focus, not the chef. The passive voice puts the focus on what happened, not who did it. The structure is be plus the past participle. Present passive. English is spoken worldwide. Past passive. The letter was written yesterday. Future passive. The results will be announced tomorrow. Let's look at when we use the passive voice. First, when we don't know who did the action. My car was stolen last night. We don't know who stole it. Second, when who did it isn't important. The road is being repaired. We don't care who is doing it. The road matters. Third, informal or official writing. The report was submitted on Monday. Mistakes were made. To say who did the action, add by. The painting was created by Picasso. The prize was won by a young student. You don't always need by, only when it's relevant. Let's review. Passive equals be plus past participle. Use it when the action matters more than the person. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.